How to paste a clip without overwriting the existing clips on the timeline of Premiere Pro 2019. Okay, so here's the clip. I will cut it, Ctrl X, okay, and I want to position it here to the playhead, and these clips will be overwritten just because I pressed Ctrl V, that is paste. Okay, so these were overwritten. Once again, undo, Ctrl Z, and these will be overwritten, both the video and the audio. Ctrl V. Okay, so how to paste a clip without overwriting the existing one. To paste it, let's unselect these two, the video and the audio, here on the left side, and select a video that is above and it's empty. Let's say there. That one is already selected where it's empty, so leave it that way. Okay, now press Ctrl V, and the clips that were cut from this position, they appeared there above the clips, so they are not overwriting the existing clips.